Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how I made this miniature bedroom. Start by cutting off the round edges of popsicle sticks and glue the rest of the stick to your dollhouse. If you would like to know how I made this dollhouse, including the windows, walls, lights and the other rooms, make sure to subscribe to my channel and watch the video that I will link in the info box as soon as I upload it. Now use see-through fabric, for example silk, in the color of your choice to make curtains. Fold over the top edge and use pins to hold them in place. You will need a needle and a thread to do a little bit of sewing. Don't worry, the stitch is very easy. You basically just have to go in and out the fabric. It's called the running stitch and it's great for making curtains because it allows the fabric to bunch up. In case you want to watch a more detailed tutorial for this stitch, I recommend looking it up on YouTube. There are lots of videos on this topic. You will need a long stick to act as a curtain pole. I couldn't find a round one, so I just used this random flat plastic stick, which is usually used to frame art, but it kind of works as a curtain pole as well. Don't forget to secure the end of the thread to avoid it from coming undone. To do that, take a small back stitch, make a loop over the point of the needle, pull the thread through the loop and repeat. As you can see, I made 3 curtains and then glued the ends of the pole to the wall. Apply a small amount of glue to a ribbon, attach it to the wall and use it to hold the lower end of the curtain. Cut out these pieces of cardboard for the bed, make sure that the bed frame is big enough for your doll, and then glue everything together like this. Now you'll need felt to create the cover for the mattress. I'm sewing these pieces together edge to edge using the blanket stitch. take another piece of felt and sew it to these edges before cutting out 2 pieces of cardboard that fit inside the mattress cover. I'm using sponges to give the mattress more height and to make it nice and soft. Place it inside the felt case and continue sewing the edges together. You will need a big matchbox for the next step. Cut it in half and glue a piece of foam board to the open end of the little drawer inside the matchbox. Cut out 3 pieces of foam board and 1 piece of paperboard to make the bedside table. Glue them together like this before painting it in the color of your choice and sealing it with varnish. I'm using the pillows, blankets and the cushions from a previous video. I will put the link in the info box. If you would like to know how I made this cute little French bulldog, click one of the links in the info box and watch the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more videos like this, and follow Fun and Craft on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!